$2,500. A nice big kitchen here. So we're setting the standard. That's what we're hoping to do in the market. Hopefully we get a good amount of money for rent. Troy Kearns, real estate investor, bringing it to you from St. Joe, Missouri. What did you get this property under contract for?
$2,500.
So $2,500. Is it a duplex?
It's a duplex.
$2,500. What'd you sell it to me for?
$8,000.
We'll call it $9,000. I think after closing costs, I was in this deal for $9,000. We've walked this property several times. We're almost done. Let's go check it out. So we put a new roof on. It was blue. It was all messed up. It was full of stuff, right? Now we're walking in to our duplex. Looks really, really good. We've got what I don't like to put on the floors, vinyl flooring, but I don't know what happened. I think Maynard suggested it, and then I said, okay, let's go for it. So we've got a nice big kitchen here, original ceilings. We just painted these. I always try to go with hard surfaces on everything. So we spend a little bit extra money. We do granite, spend a little bit of extra money. We do nice floors, and hopefully we get a good amount of money for rent. So this is one unit. This is the downstairs. This is the bathroom right here. Looks like we need a little bit of updating still in here. Yeah. We're gonna need to change that out. Nice new tub surround in here, and sconces that we need to change. Go up to the living area. Does this look like the same house? We got one bedroom here, and Mr. Professional.
What's up, man?
What's up? Working hard?
Yes, sir.
Maynard, how long you been working with me?
Almost 16 years.
So, you're one of our best guys. Sometimes it always hasn't been that way, right?
No, not always.
But he redeems himself. He knows what he needs to do to get back on it. So thank you for everything, dude.
No problem.
3 small bedrooms, but 3 bedroom. What do you think this thing will rent for in this type of shape? I'm thinking $750 to $850.
$750, $850, yep.
So hopefully we'll get $750, maybe more. So let's go through the math. How much have I paid you so far?
18.
$18,000. How much do I owe you?
22.
$2,200. So we'll be into it for you, $20,000. How much do you think you spent on material?
Around 12, 15.
Okay, so we're in it to about $35,000 plus the acquisition of, call it 9. So $44,000 to cash flow $750 on each side. Really good investment all the way around. Great investment with him, great investment with him, great investment for me. Everybody wins, right?
Mm-hmm.
Did you win?
I did.
Can you feed your baby?
Oh, yeah.
All right, we're walking into unit number 2. Same type of deal. Tell me what you think. What'd you think? You like my rehab? Does it suck? Let me know in the comments. This rehab suck? Would you do better? I don't know why they picked this door here unless this was already here. That would be the only reason. He knows what I like. We like to stuff look nice. A bathroom right here. Kitchen's right here. These are new cabinets, probably because we couldn't save the other ones. So not bad on material costs. You know a lot of guys who have rentals. How does this rank in terms of quality on rentals?
The fact that you're doing a hard surface countertop and the tile that you put in here is great. Love it.
So it ranked good, bad. You've seen a lot of rentals.
Yeah.
You sell to a lot of investors.
Yeah, this is,
Are we setting the standard?
we are absolutely setting.
So we're setting the standard. That's what we're hoping to do in the market. We're trying to set the standard with nice stuff that's going to last for a long time. If you notice, everything I'm putting in is probably stuff you've seen in houses 50 years old, right? So this is like a type of pattern that they put in houses 50 years ago. The only thing different, and this is what we normally don't do, is we put laminate in here. Normally I'd go hardwoods. I got talked into laminate on this one. I'm still a little bit upset about it because I know after one tenant's in here, it's gonna not look the same, but whatever. We roll with stuff to try it out. Got a little bathroom up here. This is just a powder room, I guess you'd call that. 2 bedrooms on this side. So if you're looking for a nice quality rental, get a hold of my team, La Casa Global in St. Joe. If you're looking for a quality wholesaling property, get a hold of Ryan Haywood at Heritage Homes. If you're looking to get started investing, don't stop. Get started investing in real estate. So let's just walk the exterior of the property. We got solar panel lights. Why? Because the first thing we do on the property is we light it up so that no people come by and screw with our property. Looks like they probably put this fence up to get our trash from flowing over in their yard. We still need to clean up this sidewalk. We still need to fix the little pieces here. This is my trailer. We towed that from Mississippi. We got gutters, downspouts. So, like I said, if you're looking to get started investing in real estate, just get started. If you're looking to understand what you're doing, subscribe to my channel. Make sure you get started. Peace.